I used to think investing in the stock market was only for rich people or finance experts. I'd see headlines about the S&P 500 going up or crashing, and honestly, I had no idea what that even meant. But then I realized, the S&P 500 is actually one of the easiest and safest ways to start investing, even if you have no experience. And today, I'll walk you through how I started investing in the S&P 500 as a complete beginner, and how you can too. The problem: most beginners are scared to start. Let's be real. Most people want to invest but never start. Why? Because it sounds confusing. There's fear of losing money. And when you Google it, you get bombarded with terms like ETFs, index funds, expense ratios. It's overwhelming. I was there too. I kept putting it off. Until one day I realized, if I just invest a little each month into the right fund, I don't need to be a stock market genius. So here's what the S&P 500 actually is. It's a list of the 500 biggest companies in the US. Think of it like a basket of the most powerful businesses: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and more. When you invest in the S&P 500, you're not betting on one stock. You're spreading your money across 500 of them. So if one company drops, others usually balance it out. Here's exactly how I started investing in the S&P 500 step by step. Opened an investment account with a trusted broker. Chose an S&P 500 index fund, like VOO, SPY, or FXAIX. Started with a small amount, just enough to get started. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Stayed consistent no matter what the market did. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to know how to earn money from AI, watch the next video. It could help you earn your first dollar online.